Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Hari Om. Anekatma means one who is appearing as many beings. Bhagwan is only one, but appears as many atmas or many beings, or what we call as jivas. All the living beings, right from the unicellular to the highest evolved being, all of them are appearances of one supreme pure consciousness alone. Hence it is said, Sarvo Hyesha Rudraha. All this is Rudra alone. Everyone and everything is Rudra. In Shiva Puran, Linga Puran, etc., it is also said, Yasya Yasya Padarthasya Yaya Shakti Rudahrita Sasa Gauri Mahadevi Sasadevo Maheshwaraha. Of all the various things that are present, the power which is there in the things and in the beings, that power is Gauri, and Gauri is the power of Lord Shiva himself. Hence, Bhagwan is appearing as all the beings. All the jivas are appearances of one supreme truth. It is not that one Atma has divided itself to become many small Atmas. Sometimes we believe that each of us is one small little part of that infinite Atma. So this supreme one self, so this one supreme infinite consciousness has not divided to become many, has not modified to become many, nor is it producing many beings from itself. There is no production, there is no modification, there is no division. There is only an appearance, like the one sun up in the sky appears in 1,000 pots as 1,000 reflections. The sun has not divided itself to become those 1,000 reflections. The sun has not modified itself to become those reflections. And the sun is not producing those reflections. It is an appearance when there is an appropriate medium. Same way, Maya Shakti is that medium. Gauri is the medium through which that one appears as many. Just like a prism. When the ray of white light passes through the prism, it appears in 7 colors. In the same way, the one appearing through this Maya, the one associating with Maya is appearing as this many. And hence, the Lord is called Anekatma. Not because he is Anek, he is only one, but appearing as Anek. This is called Vivartavada, the theory of appearance. Because that which is one infinite, in that there cannot be any modification, production, division, evolution, because that is beyond change. And all of these are in the realm of change. So that which is changeless, without undergoing any modification, that one changeless appears as the many, and hence Anekatma. Just like without modification, that rope appears as the snake. Same way, the one infinite is appearing as so many beings. So, salutations to that Supreme Lord who is one but who appears as many. So, our journey is the many that we are experiencing right now is because of Maya Shakti, because of identification with the body, mind, intellect. When we let go of this identification and inquire, who am I truly? We will come to realize that there is only one infinite consciousness, and that is our true nature, which is what the Vedas tell us. Tat Tvam Asi. You are that. And when we discover this, we realize our oneness with the Supreme, that permanent peace, absolute love, all that we are seeking in the world outside, supreme happiness, everything is already our true nature. We are what we seek. And so the one who appears as many, now the journey for us is from the many, we rediscover the one. May the Lord, who is Anekatma, make us realize that we are that one consciousness, one with the Supreme, who is appearing as so many beings. Just imagine identified with one jiva, with one body, mind, intellect, equipment, how insecure we feel. Constantly the world is a threat to us. We have to prove ourselves. We have to make a mark. We need applause of people. We need recognition. We want people to like us, subscribe, follow us, give us good comments, and then we feel something good about ourselves. How wonderful it would be to drop this identification with this finite equipment and realize that there is one infinite truth and everything is an appearance of only one. Then there is no insecurity, there is no fear. Fear comes when there is two. The moment duality starts, fear starts. When there is only one, there is nothing to fear, no one to fear. Abhaya Pratishtha Vindate, that person becomes absolutely fearless. May the Lord grant us this vision that we are the one self appearing as the many.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.